Hello, everyone, and welcome to my full room tour of the Burgundy Executive Suite at the Paris Hotel in Las Vegas. I am so excited to show you all this suite. So with that being said, let's hop on the elevator and head up to our floor. I do want to mention that this room is by no means a cheap hotel room in Las Vegas. In fact, at the time of purchase, the rate for this suite was $392 US per night. All right, and here it is, the Burgundy Executive Suite, or as it says on our door, Imperial. I'm not sure why. Before even entering the suite, you are greeted with a double door entryway, followed by an impressive and grand foyer. And over here to my right is bathroom number 1. That's right, this suite has more than one bathroom. This bathroom offers a decent-sized vanity, closet for storage, and a massive jetted bathtub. And there is even a separate area to use the restroom. All right, let's look at the details of this bathroom a little more closely. Just under the vanity here, they give you lots and lots of extra towels, and there is also a hairdryer. And on top of the vanity, you are provided with Kleenex, as well as body lotion, shampoo, conditioner, and hand soap. But the main attraction of this bathroom has to be this massive jacuzzi tub. After spending most of our days in Vegas, either walking around or partying, it was awesome to come back to this jacuzzi tub and relax. Alright, and back out into the foyer. On my left-hand side this time is bathroom number 2. This bathroom was a bit smaller, but still had all the necessary amenities. As soon as you enter, there is a full-length mirror, followed by a closet for storage. This bathroom does have a smaller vanity, but it has the same amount of towels and the same shampoo, conditioner, body lotion, and hand soap. Instead of a jacuzzi tub, this bathroom has a very spacious glass shower. And of course, a standard toilet. Moving back out into the main suite area, there was a mini kitchenette that came fully stocked with all the snacks and alcohol you need, at a charge, of course. It was, however, free to use the coffee machine. This suite also comes with a beautiful living room area. The decor in here is stunning and matches the theme of the hotel very well. And over by the window here, there is a small dining table for 2. By far the most impressive thing in this suite, though, is the view. From this suite, you can see the Las Vegas Strip, the Sphere, the High Roller, and the beautiful mountain landscape off in the distance. This particular suite came with 2 double beds, However, there are different suites with different bed configurations. As I'm sure you can tell, this video was filmed after we had already slept in the beds. When we did come in, everything was made up nicely. One of the coolest features of this room was probably the TV. It was hidden inside of a wooden desk between the bedroom area and living space, and it appeared with the touch of a button. Alright, and that officially wraps up our room tour of the Burgundy Executive Suite at the Paris Hotel in Las Vegas. If you have any questions about my stay at the Paris Hotel, feel free to drop a comment below, and be sure to like and subscribe. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in my next travel series.